Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today, time for a shave video. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. I just had a nice hot shower and my face is still a little red. It is not Sunday, it is Friday, but I will be showing this video on Sunday only because Brian twisted my arm and kept showing this all week, Camp Phoenix, and I thought I just have to break mine out. And I don't know if you guys seen this. I tried looking on YouTube and I only found one other Wetshaver. Chris had his on, doing a video on it. But anyway, this is a really unique scent. And this particular soap smells like a campfire, and it is a very nice scent. It has that woody but yet smoky sensation to it. And the thing that is really neat about this is the splash itself has a different scent, but I will talk about that here in just a little bit. So I already have that whipped up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl, and I'm using my beautiful Trotters Handcraft brush, and this is my original one that I purchased, and it's what made me fall in love with the Trotter brushes. Oh yeah. It's funny, whenever I go camping, the very next day when you go home, you just can't wait to get in the shower to get rid of the smoky scent. And this, it takes you back to camping for sure. Have you guys seen or heard of any other artisans that have a smoky scented soap? To me, this is at a whole new level. Anyway, I have my razor already loaded up with my favorite Gillette silver blue blade, and this is the PAA Prismatic Razor. And I know that the Metaphor razor was a razor launched after this that did cover up the tabs, so the head was a little bit wider and has a different handle. But I love the shave of this one. So let's go ahead and get the shave going, and let's enjoy it, right? I love the audio feedback on this razor. It is nice and smooth, and the CK6 formula has the perfect amount of residual slickness for me. So if you wanted to go and do a little bit of buffing after the fact, or in between lathers, you can. I would strongly suggest not to do that. That's what the soap's there for. But if you can't resist and you're not prone to irritation, go right ahead and buff on. Have any good stories to tell today, so we're just doing the shave, you and I, or us. You're watching. I feel like I'm a little closer to the camera today. Let me back up just a hair. Very nice and creamy. Speaking of creamy, has anyone, let's look at the lather here. Look at that, nice. Has anyone heard where Silky Creamy went to? What happened to him? Did you watch his channel? He used to do reviews on soap scents and kind of the quality behind them. And I really liked watching his channel. And all of a sudden, one day, he just popped up missing. Is that right? Anyway, I really liked watching his channel because he would talk about some of the scents and how it came across to him versus, you know, what it says on the website. And I thought that was really useful. So it helped me, you know, if I was on the fence about getting a soap, and then when I heard somebody else that had it and what it was like, you know, it may have encouraged me to buy it, or it may have discouraged me to buy it. But if I was curious, I still bought it anyway. That's like this particular soap. When it was released, it was an in-app purchase or an in-app release only. And I think it was just up for a couple days. And if I remember right, it was like on a Wednesday. And I thought, well, I get paid on Friday and I'm going to pick it up then. Because I'm one of those guys that I try to get more than just one item. And so I was like, I need to look and see what else I need. And then whenever I went Friday to decide to get it, it was already gone. And I was like, dang, I know it was a limited release, but holy cow. That quick, two or 3 day release, it was gone. So I was able to pick it up from someone that decided they didn't like the scent. Let me get cleaned up with some cold water and I will be right back. What a nice close shave. Wow. Excellent. Do you guys miss the Ice Cube post-shave routine that I do? Do you want to see it on camera? All right, so here is the, it's not really a matching scent, but it is the splash that goes with the set. And this soap, I'm having trouble with the lid here. Okay. So, I see, said the blind man. This is unusually strange. I haven't used this in a long time. The, the little restrictor popped out and appears to have melted into the cap. Let me see if I can push that back in here. What in the world happened? Mercy. I'm not editing this out. But anyway, a lot of controversy has appeared over this particular splash. And some people have irritation on the face because it has a cinnamon scent oil or scent in it. And this part of the splash is like a s'mores scent. So it's got like the marshmallow and cinnamon in a, maybe to me, and it just might be my mind filling in the gaps, but like a slight chocolate scent to it. And you know, with these restrictors, I can never get the exact measurement out. Wow, that is a nice scent. And I wished, I don't even know if they had a star jelly to it, but it actually has a little bit of a tingle to it, almost like a menthol. And I guess that's where people, my face is probably about as red as what it was. All right, so let's go ahead with the star jelly. The shave is gone. It's over. All right, well, what an excellent shave for the day. I'll put a little picture right here of everything that I used, and I will see you guys on the next shave video. You have a great rest of your week or weekend, whenever you're watching it. See ya.